Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you how we can look up a picture using index and match. So in this sheet 1 I have the names of different wild animals as shown there. Then in sheet 2 this is where we shall look up the picture. So to start with, create a name range by selecting column A and B. So maybe up to where the animals are, or even up to 100. So after selecting that, go to formulas, then create from selection. So that is the top row. Then after creating the name range, so this you can check by pressing Ctrl F3. So these are the two name range that we have created. So after creating that, go to sheet 2, then select one of the cells in column A, like for example the cell A8. Then create a data validation in that cell. So you can press Alt DL to create data validation, or in the data tab you can select this icon here where it is written data validation, then select data validation. Then here press tab L tab, or just select list, then equal to, press F3, select the name of the animal, then OK, then press OK again. So here we can create, that is a dark shade or maybe a light one like that, so that we can see that cell. So here we have the names of the animals. Then go back to sheet 1 and then copy a cell in any of the animals. So for example, where we have the leopard, so copy, Ctrl C. Then go to sheet 2, then select linked picture. So that way, so this is the linked picture, so we can make it big, so that way. Then go to formulas, defined name. Under defined name, maybe we can call that one wild animal. Then the formula here is now index and match. So here is where we are going to put index and match. So press index, first bracket. So then the column here should be the column of the animal. So that is sheet 1. So it is known as animal. So here we can call it animal, or you can just press F3 and select animal, so that way. Then comma, match, for second bracket there. Then the lookup value is in sheet 2, so this is the lookup value, so cell A8. Then comma, so the lookup array is the name of the animal, so press F3, then select name, then OK. Then comma 0 because we want the exact value, then close the bracket twice, then OK. So there is an error there, so let us try again. So go to defined name, then here we call it wild animal, so without space, then index, and then select the animal, comma, then match, then select lookup value, which is cell A8, comma, the name, then comma 0, close the brackets twice, then OK. Then select the picture, the lookup picture, and call it wild animal. So then OK, and that is it. So now if we select any animal here, so for example waterbuck, so we can see the animal there. You can select antelope, you can select lion, and so on. So that is how we use index and match to look up a picture. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next videos.